What's up guys, in today's video we are going to be cleaning out the family daily commuter. Now as you can see, it is disgusting. Look at this, you got some staining on the seats and stuff, there's crap all over the place, all that sort of stuff, so it's obviously no good. There's a lot of things all over the place, and I picked up some wheels yesterday. Have a look at this. They're a pretty decent set. Tires are all about 95%, but obviously as you can see they're extremely dirty. So I'm gonna have to spend the better part of the day cleaning out the car, obviously taking care of all the mud and stuff and gunk and germs that have accumulated over the length of time that this car has not been looked after, and we are gonna go from there. Now you can see the wheels are absolutely filthy. They're not supposed to be that color, they are supposed to be that color. So they're gonna need some work. There's a lot of brake dust caked on there, and there's a lot of scuffs and gross marks and stuff. I'm gonna see what I can do about them, but it's a process, and it's a step-by-step experience, so we can't really go and jump into this and think that we're going to do 50,000 different things at once. No, it doesn't work like that. So generally I like to start with the interior first, and then after I'm done with the interior I will move on to the exterior of the car, starting with the wheels. I'm going to get stuck into doing this. I'll set up the phone so you guys can see my workflow and how I do things. Alright, so I forgot that I had a massive wheel in the rear seat. Let's work.